Long straights where you would have the time to catch them. It's all bends. A few straights. This little bit here. So I went quiet there because I was worried that I was too wide and the rain, the ground was too wet, that I was going to have a massive fail. So although this is a long bend coming up after this, it is classed as a straight. So theoretically I could catch up with that yellow one. Feel the car fighting. The trouble is I don't know how fast I really want to go here. Down into third. Turn in, a little bit of a wiggle. And ironically, I don't know that I've actually noticed traction control coming on, even though I feel the car wobbling. But when it's dry, you see traction control all the time. So I was quite enjoying being behind the little open tops, but they've gone in now. Okay, we'll make this the last of the faster laps, then we'll do an out lap and assess the rest of the day.